Hello, this is Cookie. I have some images set up here. We're going to play with creating a background or texture. Backgrounds typically are like a location, whether it's something out in a field or a barn setting, city, whatever. Texture is more not a location, so to speak, but just like an abstract or something. At any rate, I'm very lazy and I use the two terms interchangeably. But I'm going to go ahead and make some of these invisible. We'll come down to this, and now this one I have the opacities changed already, so you can see a lot of that coming through. I'm not sure I like that. I want to unlock that image because there's just no point in having it locked. I'm going to bring up the fill layer some. Yes, we get just that little bit of the crinkly underneath. This crinkle layer would be a texture versus this being an actual background. I'm going to bring up this with the water and the lights because I think that's really pretty. The lights give kind of a bokeh effect to it. I'm going to select this layer and bring that down just a little. I'm going to click on my blend modes. And again, you're just trying to see what you like, what you hate. Don't know if I would use it, but for the moment, I'm going to stick there with that. With the clouds here, I'll bring this one in. And I'm going to try to change there we go, with the blend modes first. Really, really bright. Really strong. I'm going to leave this then at normal for the moment. Mess with the fill. Too much. It's just that little bit there. And again, there's a whole lot of orange going on there. I'm not sure I'm digging the orange. Oh, reddish orange. That just really notched it up a bit there. I'm going to bring this back down to screen. Nope. Guess that layer may or may not make it. I'm going to go ahead and click it off for right now. I'm going to play with some other things in here. I've got this image with the flower and the little ladybug. I'm going to bring her down a little bit. I kind of like that in there. I don't know if I want to keep it or not, but I would like to get rid of that really hard edge because I don't want that transition. Now, depending on the image that you're working with this, it's something that's up to what you're doing, what you want your end outcome to be if you have that determined already. I'm using a soft round brush, about 114 pixels, just random. I've got the opacity down to 62%. And again, this is just hit and miss. You can always play with it, adjust it later, and that's part of the fun of trying to create like this. And again, I just wanted to get rid of that hard edge. Now that's still really, really soft. There, well, But again, this is the whole bit to it. I'm going to take out that gold crinkly layer. And this is still really, really glowy red. Let's take a look. We had that on pin light, which is why it went that direction. Color dodge. Overlay is really dark. Screen is really light. I'm going to bring up the fill to this a little bit. I don't love any of this, but that whole concept, you're just working through each image, seeing what you like, what you don't like, what works, and it can take time. Typically, if I'm creating a texture or a background, I have an image in mind. So to me, this is much harder to do without an image because I don't know what it's lined up for. Lots of people do extremely well creating just that background image on their own. It's just not my strong suit. I have to know where I'm going to be able to get there. And bring that down a little bit again, the other thing I want to do, I kind of like that again. I'm not sure what it would go with, but because this is, very dark in here, I'm going to go ahead and come down here to this black and click on X. And what I did was toggle my background and foreground colors here. Next, I want to go to Edit, Fill. So I'm going to click on Shift F5. Click, and you can see that really, really brought the colors up here. So now I want to change this a little bit with the fill. I'll change this. Actually, I may take that back to black because that white just really washes it out. So X, Shift, F5, hit OK. Again, this is the concept. You may change things, keep stuff, not keep stuff. It's totally on what appeals to you as you're creating. I will see you with any questions in just a moment.